Hi everyone, welcome back. Today is video 6 of 20 and today the topic is what is the verb to do? Now, English uses the verb to do in ways that confuse almost every learner. The verb to do has two main jobs. First job, it can mean an action. Example, I do my homework. She does the cleaning. We did the dishes. Second, it helps us make questions and negatives. For example, do you like coffee? I do not understand. Notice something important? In English, we often need do to make questions. Do you like pizza? Becomes, do you like pizza? Negatives. I like it becomes, I do not like it. I don't like it. With he, she, it, we use does. Does she work here? He does not know. So let's practice. Which sentence is correct? Does he like coffee? Or does he like coffee? Well done. The correct answer is, does he like coffee? So after do or does, the main verb stays in base form. So no verb S as in present simple. And here's something interesting. Native speakers shorten negatives constantly. Do not becomes don't. Does not becomes doesn't. You will hear these forms much more often in real conversations. It's how native English speakers speak naturally. So, to conclude this short video about the verb to do, the verb do is small but incredibly powerful. So, thank you for watching all the way to the end. That means that you want to continue learning. So, press the like button, subscribe, follow along so that you do not miss any videos, and share this video or this group of videos in the playlist 1 to 20 short videos, about 3 minutes each. Share them with somebody who wants to learn English or who is struggling a bit. And if you have any special requests, pop it down in the comments below. Until next time, see you later.